have an art lesson about Kehinde Wiley. He is a very famous painter. He is the first African American to paint the official portrait for a United States president. This is his presidential portrait of President Barack Obama. What are the lessons that we can learn from Kehinde Wiley? Kehinde Wiley teaches us that we can draw real people to show who they are and what they are like. He painted a picture of a real person, a very important and famous person, President Barack Obama. When you look at the painting of President Obama, what do you think he is like? Look at his face. Look at his clothes. Look at his hands. Look at the way that he is sitting. Mr. Wiley wanted to tell you something about this real person. Kehinde Wiley teaches us that what you decide to include in a painting is very important. If you look at the painting carefully around President Obama, you will see different types of flowers. Can you see them? They are beautiful. Why did he include all these different kinds of flowers? The first flower is the purple African lily. This flower is included because President Obama has family from Kenya. The rosebud is another flower in the painting. The rosebud is included because it is a symbol or image of love and courage. The next flower is the white jasmine. The white jasmine is included because President Obama was born in the state of Hawaii and he also lived in the country of Indonesia. The white jasmine grows in both places. The chrysanthemum is the official flower of the city of Chicago, Illinois, and it is included because Chicago is a city where President Obama lived and worked for many years. Before becoming president, he was a state senator for Illinois. Mr. Wiley purposely painted a chrysanthemum that had different colors in it to represent the many different people that President Obama led and helped. Mr. Wiley teaches us that we can draw real things in different ways for different reasons. In this painting, what do you think of the way that Mr. Wiley painted each of the flowers? Let's compare some of the flowers in the painting with the real flowers. Here is a picture of the purple African lily. You can see Mr. Wiley's use of shades of color. Do you think that the painting looks the same as the real flower? Do you think that the painting looks different from the real flower? Here is the picture of a real rosebud. The flowers in the painting look delicate, just like the real flowers. Do you think that the painting looks the same or different from the real flower? Here is a real white jasmine. Do you think that the painting looks the same as the real flower? Or do you think that the painting looks different from the real flower? Lastly, here is a real chrysanthemum that has different colors in it. Do you think that the painting looks the same or different as the real flower? And if they are different, does one look better than the other? Or are they both beautiful, even though they are different? Let's review our lessons that we learned from the artist Kehinde Wiley. Number 1, we can draw people and show others who they are and what they are like. Number 2, there is a meaning behind what painters include in their artwork. Number 3, we can paint real things in the same way or different way as we want.